this camera on here right now, and today I have slime. How I made it was with
Come on now.
glue, food coloring, or watercoloring, shaving cream, starch.
Here, eat.
Starch and solution.
Here comes the choo-choo train.
Right.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo-choo-choo-choo.
Chugga, 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 chugga.
But this is optional, and the solution is optional.
Okay.
I don't have the Borax, but you can use the Borax.
I really do. You crazy fucking bitch.
And the shaving is
I'll touch my face.
and you can use
Stop
lotion,
pushing.
shampoo, but I don't have some, but you can use them. Okay? So I got slime. And then, look, here's his slime. Here's your slime. Stop, this is on YouTube. This is his slime.
Believe me.
Look at his slime. Not her, she's not slime. She's not slime. Stop. But she's a good slime maker, but she's not slime.
You're right, I'm not. That would be a compliment.
And he's a good slime maker, but he's not slime. He's not slime, she's not slime, he's not slime, she's not. Nobody's slime.
Yeah, I can just go down there and smoke.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna slimy. Ready? This slimy's just gonna slimy with a dab. Slimy with a dabber. I just want some ice on my wrist so I better when I'm dancing. I'm looking at it, put you in a trance.
How many did you get?
I just wanna roll.
30,
Sorry,
20.
boy.
No, 50, 20.
We got 50 of these?
Yeah.
We did get 50? Alright, 50, 20.
How do they taste?
So that's grabbing 70 wings.
Yeah,
There
homie.
are.
I love making the bubbles. Yesterday, Amy and me had a unibrow. Oh, it was so funny. Here, I'll put in a unibrow on me right now. Just roll it. Unibrow! Woo! This unibrow's gonna go. And then, my beard. Whoa, da. Look like a Chinese person. Wait,
Hello.
I got slime on me. And if it gets like really sticky, like mine's like really sticky right now, like it's like really sticky. So like look at all that stickiness. So, oh, I just have to spill up.
Really like sticky.
No more slime. Oh,
That should be like a remix of like a song.
see the little bubble?
Let me get this.
And look, I'll stick this onto me. Stick. But I didn't do it today. I stick it on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not there. Just works. Look, I'll put this over a water bottle. Put the lid on it. Lid. Ready, put the lid on it. And whoa. God, it's water slime.
My pep is gone.
Where's your pep?
My pep is gone. That's what it is. It's gone.
Now that is slime water. Slime water. It's called slime water. It's not a thing, but I just made it. And if it is, comment down below and tell me. Tell me. And if you like this, subscribe and comment down below if you like it.